guys, welcome back to our channel Ranker Story Time. Now we will discuss about the Anglo-Norman period, first part, in which we will discuss about some important writers of the age and also about first English poet. The first English poet, Caedmon, 670 AD, was shepherd. He lived at monastery of Abbess Hilda at Whitby. We get an account of his life from Bede's Ecclesiastical History of the English People, which was originally written in Latin. Caedmon has often been called the Anglo-Saxon Milton. The greatest work attributed to him, the so-called Paraphrase, was discovered in 17th century. It is, however, a work of many hands. जो बीडे की हिस्ट्री है उसमें से हमें कैडमन की लाइफ के बारे में पता चलता है और ये पता चलता है कि वो अनएजुकेटेड थे, एक शिपर्ड थे और उनकी जो पोइम्स हैं वो मिल्टन की पोइम्स के साथ कंपेयर किए जाते हैं, क्योंकि एंग्लो सैक्सन पीरियड में के हिसाब से उनको मिल्टन के इक्वल ही माना जाता है। उनका ग्रेटेस्ट वर्क है पैराफ्रेज, जिसमें ये पता चलता है कि ये उनका अकेले का काम नहीं है, ये इसमें अदर राइटर्स का भी कंट्रीब्यूशन है, जिसे हम ये कह सकते हैं कि सबसे बड़ा और ग्रेटेस्ट वर्क है जो एंग्लो सैक्सन पीरियड का, वो है पैराफ्रेज, जो कि डिस्कवर किया गया था 17th सेंचुरी में। Lanfranc was Archbishop of Canterbury in 11th century. He received a liberal education according to the standard of the age. He became a member of school Avranches, and after that he became the future Pope Alexander II. ये पहले एवरांस के स्कूल टीचर बने, उसके बाद हुए अलेक्जेंडर II के रूप में पोप बने, और ये Anselm was also appointed as the second Norman Archbishop of Canterbury in 1093. His works are Monologion 1077 and Proslogion 1078, which Simeon of Durham 1090. His chief work is the Historia Ecclesia Dunelmesis, which was written between 1104 to 1108. Edemer 1060 to 1126. His works are the Historia Novarum and Vita Anselmi. He was elected as the Archbishop of the St. Andrews. Henry of Hengistone 1088 to 1154. His work Historia Anglorum, the history of the English people, it covers the Norman conquest and the Battle of the Hastings, which is the turning point of the English history, from where English become a major language in England. Geoffrey of Monmouth 1100 to 1155. He served as master at the College of St. George in Oxford for 20 years. His great work Historia Regum Britannia, which covers the history of the King of Britons. ब्रिटेन के जो किंग्स थे उनकी हिस्ट्री के बारे में हमें मोनमाउथ की हिस्ट्री से पता चलता है। वेस्ट रोमन डिबर्ट 1155. He was a Norman poet. Bert is an 1155. French was rendering Monmouth's earlier Latin history. Weiss used Geoffrey's stories such as King Lear and King Arthur, which are again and again discussed by many other poets in English. In 1066, the Battle of Hastings, Norman became the dominator and the Anglo-Saxon phase was ended. 4 languages circulated in England: French, Anglo-Saxon, Latin, Old English, different branches of Celtic languages group. We can say FLAC. Thank you guys. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you. FLEC.